Hey guys, we're here at Green Lane State Park. We're going to be trekking along the Perkiomen Creek for some smallmouth bass. Let's get it. Alrighty, swapping to the curly tail grub black on a jig head. Oh, there we go. Tiny little guy. It's looking like, yep, baby smallmouth. Hold on, let me get down there. I don't like handling these guys. It's outwetting my hands. I want to take care of them. There you go, buddy. Oh, that's a nice take. Oh, unfortunate. Unfortunate. The drag was a little too tight, I think. Oh no. Oh no. That's gone. I saw it wrap around. Alright, just lost a fish on this lure here, so we're tying another one on. Alright, looks good to me. Little tug test. Just keep moving. Oh. Alright. This is fish number 2. A little bit bigger than the first one. The one I lost was definitely a lot bigger than this. Cute. Let's set him free. Sketchy, sketchy. See if we can climb on this rock. Oh, it's a slippery rock. Nah, I don't think I want to do that. Playing hopscotch with these rocks. What's that?
Is that trout?
Nah, bass. Smallie, yeah. What are you going for? Yeah.
Last week I got 2 from like down there and 2 from
Oh, okay.
but like this, that's small.
Yeah, yeah. I had a decent one on and I lost it. Had to have been like £1.5 pounds. Right over here. Good luck to you. slippery as hell. Oh, there you go. See a nice one right there. A couple of nice ones. Cast right on top of them. Getting tapped. They were right around that area there. There we go. 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 All right. How are we going to land this is another question. That one's decent. It's a pound and a half probably compared to yesterday's. Nice. Probably about, it's bigger than the one I lost. Nice fish. It's got some spawn marks on it. Right there. Nice gash on its head. Unless that was a heron or something. I'll let this guy go. That's fish number 3. Biggest one of the day so far. Try casting in the shade. Oh, there's like a little mink on the other bank. That is so cool. Let me see if I can get some footage of that guy. He's cool, dude. Looks like he's gonna go fishing or something. Here he is. That's cool. Don't have my big camera on me, unfortunately. Oh, there he goes. Went swimming. Let's watch him come out with this huge smallie.
3 hours later.
Underneath the overhang. Okay. Fish number 4 took some time, but we got him. Smallmouth, so there's smallmouth down here. All right, good to know. Good to know, good to know, good to know. I'd love to get my hands wet for you. Nice, healthy, probably year-old or so. Fish number 4. Thanks for playing, buddy. All right, we back in action or what? All right, I am 4 fish and 4 lures in. Let's go. That's a better one. Yes, let's go. Pound and a quarter maybe. Second biggest fish of the day. Oh, that water's nice and cold. Awesome. Hardly hooked, wow. Take a look at this guy. Chody. Thanks for playing, buddy. 5 fish, baby. This spot's pretty good. 2 fish, 3 bites. Right along the bank, in the shade. Fish all along this bank here. They're looking for shade. Yep, just like I said, I don't know how big it is. Not big at all. It's still a fish. Oh, it's a perch. Wow. First perch of the trip. Decent sized perch. Oh, he just came unhooked instantly there. See? Very docile. A lot of the fish I've been catching recently have been very chill. Maybe they just know I'm not looking to hurt them. All right, folks, making my way out of here. Ended up catching 7 fish. The last fish was a sunny off camera. My phone died, or my main camera died. Pretty decent day, but it's a good place to call it. So I'll catch you guys next time. I'll fish my way out of here. If I catch anything and decide to film it, I'll put it at the end of the video. But other than that, thanks for tagging along, and catch you guys next time. This has been Deep Creek, Lake Creek, something like that. I'll figure it out. But thanks for tagging along, and stay thick and juicy. Peace out.
Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained?
Push the
Is
button.
that why you are here?
What are you doing? Just play along. Come on, push the button.
Yeah, come on, push your button.